My name is Bob the Builder, and I want you to know I'll be your safety hero during your daily workflow. I have a few tips that I'm going to spit out because talking safety is what I'm all about.
Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Well, it's the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance.
While working on the lot, be careful where you step. Slipping and tripping is the #1 accident. Water on the floor, power cords and more. Ladders in the way, I see it happen every day. Take the little time to put them away, and then you'll be on your way to a safely work day.
Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Well, it's the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance.
Forklift safety, man, it ain't no joke. I've seen some stuff happen that would give you a stroke. Obeying all the rules is the only thing that matters. Riding 2 on a forklift will get your head splattered. You have to watch your speed and know where you're at, because accidents happen and they happen real fast.
Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Well, it's the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance.
Listen to what I say and pay attention what you're doing. Are you picking up what I'm laying down, or am I just spewing? When you go to lift that box, be sure to bend your knees. Keep your back straight and you would lift it with ease. But if that box is heavy and you have to strain, go get some help, man. Use your brain.
Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Well, it's the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance. Well, it's the safety dance. Let's do the safety dance.